one more thing here that we're just going to look at when we talk about animals. And animals can either be classified as vertebrates or invertebrates. Vertebrates have a vertebrae or a backbone. So your vertebrae or backbone runs from pretty much the top of your neck all the way down to the back of your bum. Okay, so we are vertebrates. So any animal that has a backbone are considered to be vertebrates. Any animal then, so examples obviously there is human, a bird as well would have a vertebrae or a backbone. And invertebrates then are animals that do not have a backbone. Okay, and some animals that don't have a backbone: spiders, snails, and jellyfish. Okay, now there's loads as well for both of those, but animals are divided up into two further categories: vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates have a backbone, invertebrates do not have a backbone.